All right, getting back to our breaking news that we told you about at the top of the hour. Prosecutors have now upgraded the charges against Jesse Matthew from first-degree murder to capital murder.
And that now means that he could face the death penalty if convicted of the murder of Hannah Graham. Northern Virginia Bureau Chief Jeff Goldberg just got out of the courtroom, and Jeff is now with us live from Charlottesville. Jeff, what's the word? What's the latest?
Well, Leon, we can tell you, we just heard from the Commonwealth's attorney for Albemarle County, Denise Lunsford. She came outside after the court hearing and told reporters that there was new forensic evidence that came to light in this case in the past couple of months that made this case, in her estimation, eligible for a capital murder case. So essentially what they've done is taken the first-degree murder and the abduction charges as well and upgraded them, making this case eligible for capital murder. Now, that new forensic evidence, of course, first question to Denise Lunsford, what is the evidence? She, of course, would not discuss what that evidence is. Jesse Matthew was in court today. Hannah Graham's parents were also in court today. He is being charged in the murder of Hannah Graham. She went and disappeared from Charlottesville in the middle of September. Her remains were found about 5 weeks later in a rural part of Albemarle County. Jesse Matthew was arrested also in mid-September, a few days after her disappearance in Galveston, Texas. Again, a very interesting development in this case. Here now, Denise Lunsford, Commonwealth's attorney for Albemarle County.
If this matter goes to trial, the Commonwealth will seek the death penalty.
Why wouldn't it go to trial?
There's always the possibility that something could happen in the interim.
So again, Lunsford saying you never know exactly what's going to happen, but this case is going to be moving forward. She's saying that she will seek the death penalty if and when it does go to trial. The next hearing in this case is on June 25th. We expect at that point that Jesse Matthew will have a date for trial. Of course, he's set to go to trial in Fairfax County on a sexual assault charge. That's going to be happening in early June, June 8th. So after that trial is presumably complete, he'll be back in court in Charlottesville to set a trial date on this murder case, which again is now a capital murder case. We're going to have a lot more on this situation coming up at the top of the hour at 6 o'clock. Until then, live in Charlottesville, Jeff Goldberg, ABC 7 News.
Okay, Jeff.